Bhagavatam, which is one of the 18 Mahapuranas. Many of the skandhas or chapters that we have seen the Anukramanika before, but let me see if somebody who's okay. Anukramanika before that it talks about Bhagavataha Avatarani Avataraha, and then other mainly in the first 9 skandhas, and then Dashama skandha, Ekadasha skandha, maybe Krishna's Leela, and the Dwadasha skandha, the final wrap-up. Then what we are now looking at, Panchama skandha, and in between there are also a lot of this Shastra Vishayaka Chintanam asti about Paramatma, Jivatma, then the Bandha, Moksha, Purushartha, etc. So here we are looking at Panchamaskandha, where Shuka Maharshi talking to Parikshit and Samvadaha Pracharita Vartate Atra. Shri Shuka Uvacha. So last week we went through this Bada Muktam Bhagavata Uttama Shloka Priyavrata Rajasya Katha Atra Varnitaasti Asmin Skandhe Anantaramapi. Priyavrata was the son of Swayambhava Manu. Swayambhava Manu and Uttanapada and Priyavrata. Priyavrata being very Bhagavad Bhakta and Tasminneva Ratarasi Tasya. So he, though he was older of the two, but Uttanapada becomes king because he is not interested in that. So Uttanapada rules, and he had 2 sons, like then Dhruva and the other one. Dhruva becomes king later after his brother dies, and so that Vamsha also continues for some time. But Priyavrata, being the older one, he had all the great qualities and fit to be the king, though he was not interested. Uttanapada was more interested. He was also good. He was not a bad person. He was good, but he was of more of a Rajasa Vritti. Rajasa Vritti is good for Rajas, right? That's why they are called Rajasa Vritti. He was more not so much into this Shastra Chintanam, Paramatma Chintanam, but he was more into Rajyabhara and then Samsara Vishaya. But he did a good job there. But here we are talking about the Priyavrata Charitram. Badhamuktam Bhagavata Uttama Shlokasya Srimad Charanara Makarandasa Ave. Namaskara. Aveshata Chetaso Bhagavata Paramahamsa Daitaktam Kinchidayatana Visanshatam. So how much we did last time? 5 and 6. Okay. So 5th one, Atra गद्यरूपे इदानीं कथा प्रवृत्ता वर्तते. So anybody wants to quickly explain number 5 or go through 5 quickly, what the meaning? We already seen it last week. We went through this somewhat hurriedly. Sattvaram पठितं वर्तते पूर्वम्. इदानीं कश्चित्
and in the number 4 namo Mahoday.
Namo.
In number 4th sloka it's explained about the Raja is in Parivarjan, but he is not attached with the Parivar. He is in Krishna's bhakti. Even if in Grihastha he is deep into Krishna's bhakti.
Yeah. Now, what is 5 now? In 5, what is that? Was 4, right? You talked about 4.
Yes.
In 5.
And Sukadev Maharaj is he's a son of Vyasa. He says even if he is in Brahmacharya, in Grihastha ashram, there is some disturbance, there is some obstacle.
Yeah, let's look at word by word here. So what is Badham Uktam? What is the meaning? Badham Uktam. Samyak Uktam. Said.
Samyak said.
Bhagavataha.
Bhagavataha is Bhagavat Bhakti?
No, Devasya, Shashti Bhakti asti. Devasya, Bhagavata Paramatmana, Krishnasya, Harehe, Vishnu, Narayanasya, Uttama Shlokasya, means others can also talk, no problem. Uttama Shlokasya. What is Uttama Shlokasya meaning?
The best of the verses or
उत्तमश्लोकैः स्तूयमानस्य स्तुतस्य. He is praised by uttama shlokas of that Paramatma. Okay? And then Srimat Charanara Vinda Makarandarase.
Makaranda is Makaranda is honey, rasa is the nectar. Srimat Charanaravinda is the feet. Aravinda is lotus, so the beautiful lotus like feet.
The feet are like lotus, and tasya makarandarase, in the nectar juice, or juice of nectar, of that rasaswada. So one aveshita chetasaha, people who are nimagnaha, asaktaha, aveshitaha santi. So last time you saw what was the rupam of this word, aveshita chetasaha. Ekavachana, bahuvachana, what was this?
Prathama vibhakti bahuvachana mahoday.
Anyone remember what was the pratipadikam of this?
Chetas.
Chetas.
Like we said, Chandramas Sadrisham.
Yeah. Chandramaha, Chetaha, Chetasau, Chetasa. Something like Durvasas, Durvasaha, Vedhaha, like you had a Vedhaha, right? Vedas. Aveshita Chetasaha, those people who are completely immersed in that, in the Makaranda Rasa of Bhagavan, Bhagavata Paramahamsa, this is one word we saw there, Bhagavata Paramahamsa Daita Katham. Meaning? Katha.
Paramahamsa is somebody who has attained the blissful state.
Deva Bhagavataha. Paramahamsa eva Bhagavataha. Bhagavata ityukte. So here, Paramahamsa eva Bhagavataha. So they are one who are like Brahmana means what? Brahmana means Brahmani Rataha. So Bhagavataha, Bhagavati Rataha, Bhagavataha. Bhagavati Bhaktim Kurvanti iti Bhagavataha. So Bhagavataha eva Paramahamsaha. Unda Daita Katham, okay? Daita Katham means
Priya Katham.
Priya Katham. Bhagavatanam Paramahamsanam Tesham Daita Katham Tesham Priya Katham Katham ityukte tasya vishaya tasya viषये चिंतनम कथा चर्चा किंचित अंतराय विहताम किंचित अंतराय विहताम अंतराय means
अस्खलित
अल्प अल्पविघ्न युक्त
किंचित means अल्प किंचित means some और अल्प can take our some अंतराय means विघ्न अंतराय means अंतरे अंतराले अंतराय means मध्ये आगच्छति इति अंतराय आयः means आगच्छति आयाति इति आयः अंतराळ मध्ये आगच्छति इति अंतराय means विघ्न अंतराय विहताम
विना
विहताम इत्युक्ते
विना
हता what is hata hatam
means samaptam
so, or it is stopped or battered vihatam hatam
obstructed
antarayena vihatam it is stopped paused or beaten, you can say vihatam, or troubled by some vighna. What is troubled by some vighna? The Daita Katha, Bhagavata Paramahamsa Daita Katham Kinchidantaray Vihatam, that is the Visheshamit, Akaranta. Swam Shivatamam Padavim. Swam Swasya Kim Shivatamam Mangalakaram Padavim Sthanam Na Prayena Hinvanti. Prayena means mostly. Na Hinvanti. Na Tyajanti. So, Purvam Prashna Asit Parikshitarajeena Prashtam Samshoyam. I have a doubt how when somebody, this Prevrata who was in Dharagara Sudadeshu in Saktasya, one who was completely attached in the Dharagara, Dhara, all is in the Samsara, Bandhane, Saktasya, that Siddhirabhut, how he attained the Siddhi, and how his Mati was Achyuta Asit Krishne, Askhalita Asit Krishne. So then he is replying here, because even though he is attached, then he is incorrect. You said it right. But even though he is attached, but attachment poses some challenges because that's a vigna. But antaraya means madhya agacchati, means it's an obstacle to attain the siddhi. But however, they are completely immersed in the charanaaravinda bhagavad bhakto aveshata chetaha asti iti karanat. So they don't forget, they don't abandon their gati or the sadhana. Yeah. Then, so they will continue the journey, even though they do the karma as needed in the day-to-day, their day-to-day work, whatever is needed. So then, what is the next one? Anyone want to go through these? This also we completed last week. Yarhi vava. Vava, hi vava, hi vava.
I will do it.
Yes, please.
Yarhi vavah rajan sa rajaputrah priyabratah param bhagavato naradasya charano pasevayanjasa bhagata paramartha satatto brahmashatrena dikshishyamano avani tala paripalanayamnat प्रवर गुणगणै कांतभाजनतया स्वपित्रोपामन्त्रितो भगवती वासुदेव एवाव्यवधान समाधि योगेन समावेशित सकल कारक क्रियाकलापो नैवाभ्यनन्दद्यद्यपि तदप्रत्याम्नातब्दं तदधिकरण आत्मनोऽन्यस्माद्वसतोऽपि परा भगवन् वीक्ष्यमाणः यर्हि भावः
So yarhi means whereas, like yarhi, yatha, it's like vavaha. Vava means nischayana. So this nischayana. So this vavaha, like saying like why, he nischayana. So these are like exclamatory mark. These usually we see in Puranas also, and we see in the Veda Upanishad, vavaha. So this comes. Means nischayana. Rajan, hey Rajan. So sambodhanam, hey Priyavrat, hey Parikshit. Saha Rajaputraha Priyavratah. So what is happening here? Saha Rajaputraha Priyavratah kim akrot? Saha कीदृशः आसीत् कीदृशः राजपुत्रः? This one. परमभागवतः. अनन्तरः पुनः कीदृशः आसीत् सः? नारदस्य चरणोपसेवया अंजसा अवगत परमार्थ सतत्वः आसीत् सः. So the end word here is प्रथमाविभक्तौ किम् अस्ति अत्र? अवगत परमार्थ सतत्वः आसीत्. अवगत परमार्थ सतत्वः आसीत्. So what is avagata paramartha satatvaha? Means paramartha satatvaha paramartham avagataha asit saha. Satatvaha api asit. Athva paramartham satatvam avagataha asit. What does this overall, what is the meaning? Tatparam kim tasya? Kim avagatam asit tasya?
He understood Paramartha Tattvam. Satatvam.
Satatvam means?
Kidrisha Paramartha iti.
Yathartham.
गुणाः
Satatvam. Tatvam means tat. Yatha asti tatha. Yathartham. Means in the samyak jnanam asit tasya. Paramartha satatvam. Satatvam satatvam tattva sahitam yathartham tasya jnanam asit. Avagatam jnanam asit. Paramartha vishaye. Paramatmanah vishaye. Anantaram katham avagatam asit?
Brahmasatrena.
No. Purvam kim asti? Anjasa avagatam asit.
Padasevaya.
Padasevaya anjasa. Anjasa means sulabhataya. Leelaya, salilam. Leelaya eva, leela means salilam, means sulabhataya eva, anjasa, easily, avagatam asit. Easily katham avagatam bhavati? For anybody? Can I sit there? Can I sit here? And then just wait for some miracle to happen, then I suddenly understand everything? No. There is charanopasevaya, seva kritam asit tena. Kasya seva kritam asit?
Naradasya.
Charanasya. Charanayoho upaseva. Charanayo padopaseva. Padaseva kritam asit. Padashushruषा kritam asit. Kasya padasya, kasya padayoho naradasya. Okay? So tasya guruhu naradaha. Guru shushruषा kritam asit devvratena iti karanad saha paramartha avagata paramartha satattvah asit. Jnani asit. Paramartha vishaye jnanam asit tasya. So he had that knowledge, because he had done this seva of Narada. Naradasya charana. Not even Narada. Naradasya charana. Guru charana. Dasa. Iti. Pashyantu Narada iti asti. What is Narada? Who is Narada?
Devarshi
Devarshi, Brahmarshi, Maharshi Narada, Brahmaputra. Brahma had many sons. Rudra was one of his sons, first son, and then there are other sons also. In different Puranas, there are at different point of time, there are different, he gets different sons, creations. Sons means what? Tatha Maitanu Srishtena Asittada. So then one of the events, Srishti events, Rudra is son, one of Srishti, and Vayu is son, another Srishti. Then the other Saptarshi, they are a son. Actually, there are 10 Rishis, and this 11th becomes the Narada. And Narada was his son, but whereas his older brothers, none of the older brothers who are his rishis, like Kardama and all those, they continue to Moshavruddhi, Karya Nirataha, because they marry other Kanyas and they Maitanu Srishti, Arambha. But Narada is not interested in all that. He is interested in the Paramartha. He is not married, so he goes on to spread the bhakti. But what? So Narada comes in many of the stories, right? Narada Patra. So some people say it's not just one Narada. It was like a group or parampara asit. But in any way, so Narada has a very important role everywhere. But Narada padasya arthaka, here it becomes important to understand the artha. Naradasya charanopasevaya anjasa avagata paramartha satatva. Naradasya charanayoho sevaya paramartha tattvasya jnana bodha asit tasya prayavrtaya. So what is Naradatra? Narada is okay, one person you can think, but Narada, Naram dadati iti Narada. What is Nara?
Jnanam.
Jnanam. Dru, Nara. Narasya asmakam jatihi, jatihi. Dru shabdena nishpannam padam Nara. Dru ityukte jnanameva. Dru. So we are supposed to be jnana pipasu. If not jnani, at least jnana pipasu. Jnane आसक्ति अस्ति रुचिः अस्ति इति आशयात् अस्माकं नर इत्युक्तं.
Can you write the Pratipadika? Dhruva, okay.
नरशब्दस्य यथा दिशा अस्ति, दिशाशब्दस्य मूलं दिश् एव, दिक् दिशा दिशा. So they are all halanta shabdas. Mulata, most of them are halanta, like tathaiva.
Mahoday, you said naram dadati. What did you say?
Naram is jnanam. Moolam iti nru ityukte jnanameva.
Okay.
So we are hopefully, no, not hopefully, with some hope, we have been called Dhru, Nara, because at least by calling us Nara, there is a hope that we'll become Jnana Jijnyasu, okay? Jnana Pipasu or Jijnyasu. Hopefully, at least, we name some people, right? Our sons and daughters and ourselves also. Our parents named us with some good name, hoping that we at least have that guna in us, but sometimes it works, sometimes doesn't. So here our entire humankind is called a Narajati, hoping that we all become interested in the jnana. Narada, so jnanam dadati iti guru eva. Guru ityukte acharyah. Charanasya tasya charanopasevaya guru shushrooshaya anjasa avagata paramartha satattvah saha priyavratah brahmasatrena dikshishyamanaha. Means what is brahmasatrena dikshishyamanaha? So here you can take couple of meanings. Brahmasatrena dikshishyamanaha. Dikshishyamanaha. Diksham svikartum इच्छन् सः इच्छां कुर्वन् केन दीक्षमाणः दीक्षाम् इत्युक्ते सङ्कल्पः दीक्षा मीन्स् दीक्षां स्वीकरोमि इत्युक्ते सङ्कल्प और कमिट्मेण्ट् ब्रह्मसत्रेण. So here you can interpret it as by also brahmasatreణ. ब्रह्मसत्र दीक्षां स्वीकर्तुं सिद्धः आसीत् सः. ब्रह्मसत्र दीक्षा मीन्स्
वेदपठनं वा?
ब्रह्मज्ञान. सत्र मीन्स् लाङ्ग् तपस्या और लाङ्ग् टर्म् दीक्षा. यज्ञ. Yajna is just one yajna. Satra means usually satra goes for like 12 years of yajna, technically. But you can call any long term or a gathering of or a multi day some parayanam karoti. So satra you can call. So that Brahmasatrena Dikshishyamana Saha. That's one interpretation. Or there are some actually yajna going on where he had come to that, because he was, Narada is mentioned there, where he was with Narada, who Priyavrata Naradena Saha Tada Ushita Asit Tatra, because some Brahma yajna was going on there. So Tada Avanitala Paripalanaya Amnata Pravara Guna Ganaikanta Bhajanataya. The whole thing is one word. No, not one word. Avanitala Paripalanaya Amnata Pravara Guna Ganaikanta Bhajanataya. Avanitala Paripalanaya. तस्य अर्थः कः? सुलभः अस्ति। किमर्थम्? अवनितल
भूमिपरिपालनं
भू अवनितल तस्य भूतलपरिपालनाय तस्य शासनं कर्तुं परिपालनाय चतुर्थी अस्ति चतुर्थी तस्य कोऽर्थः चतुर्थी परिपालनायमस्य तस्य भूतलस्य शासनं कर्तुम् इति कर्तुम् आम्नात प्रवर गुण गण एकांत भाजनतया आम्नात तद् शास्त्रोक्त अथवा श्रेष्ठ इति प्रवर इत्युक्ते श्रेष्ठ आम्नात शास्त्रोक्त राजशासनम् इति विद्या एव कला अस्ति तस्य प्रवर गुण श्रेष्ठ गुण गण गुण गण मीन्स् समूह गुणराशि तस्य एकांत भाजनतया एकांत मीन्स् एकस्मिन् एव एकस्मिन् स्थाने एव भाजनतया भाजन मीन्स्
भजन
भाजन
भक्ति महोदय
अहं भगवतः अथवा मम गुरोः दयाभाजनम् अस्मि भाजनं मीन्स् योग्यम् अस्मि इति अर्थः भाजनं भजते also comes from the that is the kriyapadam, but bhajanam means yogyam. Yogyam means I am capable of that, capable. Okay, bhajanatya, bhajanam. So amnata pravara guna ganaikanta bhajanatya शास्त्रोक्त श्रेष्ठ गुण राशिः अस्ति कस्य विषये गुणं श्रेष्ठगुणाः राज्यशासनं कर्तुं ये गुणाः आवश्यकाः सन्ति ते सर्वे अस्मिन् प्रियव्रते एव सन्ति अस्मात् कारणात् सः भाजनः अस्ति योग्यः अस्ति he is capable of that. It is like Bhishma, right? Devavrata Bhishma, he was also having apnata pravara guna guna ekanta bhajanah asit saha sopi, but he decided not to take the throne. He had also studied for many hundreds of years at Brahaspati, at Parashurama, etc. But he decided not to take the throne. Similarly here, Priyavrata also had studied and he was all capable, but he was not interested in that. But when he was with Narada, Brahma Satyena Dikshishyamanah aste, when he was ready to take the sankalpa, then in the Brahma Sutra, completely in the sannyasa you can say, then avanitala paripalana, to rule the bhu talam, स्वपित्रा उपामन्त्रितः. What does this mean? स्वपित्रा उपामन्त्रितः. स्वस्य pitra, by his own father, upamantritah, amantritah, bhagavati vasudeve eva avyavadhana samadhi yogena. He was called for avanitala paripalanaya by his pita. When he was about to take the sankalpa of virakti, because he was already having this all Paramartha Tattva knowledge, and he was interested in that path. So, but he was called for to rule the Rajya Shasana. But Bhagavati Vasudeve eva, Bhagavati Paramatmani Vasudeve Krishne eva avyavadhana samadhi yogena. Avyavadhana samadhi yoga. Avyavadhana means avichinna, unwavering. Samadhi yogena. Tasminneva asakti yoga asit tasya samaveshita sakala karaka kriya kalapaha. One word. Samaveshita sakala karaka kriya kalapaha. Meaning samaveshita means aveshita.
Include everyone. Samavesi.
Samaveshita means he was himself was completely immersed. Aveshita. And then sakala karaka kriya kalapaha. What? Samaveshita means samarpita. You can say it samarpita. Sakala karaka kriya kalapa. He had completely samarpita asit. Kim samarpitam asit tena? Sakala karaka kriya kalapa samarpita asit. What is sakala karaka kriya kalapa? Sakala means sarvam. Karaka kriya kalapa. Karaka means
Karan.
Karaka. Karaka, you all know this. What is Kartru Karaka, Karma Karaka, Karana Karaka? You have studied all that. Right? What does that mean? Karaka means actually what? Karmani niyojayanti. Karmani niyojayanti. Kartru Karaka, Karma Karaka means what? But Karaka means if I am a Kartru Karaka, I am a Karta. If it is a Karma Karaka, I am interested in that karma, in that object. Karana means using that some instrument, I am going to do the karma. So, karmani pravrittim janayanti, pravartayanti, karmani iti karakaha. Means indriyani.
Sadhanani.
Indriyani, karmani pravartayanti iti indriyani, kriya. So, indriyaihi kriyaha ye kriyante, kalapa means samoha, tesham samoha, kriya samoha. It's the total overall, whatever I do every day, the whole thing, using my indriyas, that is karaka kriya kalapa. Kalapa means samoha, rashi. Indriyahi karakaihi kriyaha, kriya samoha, kriyani kriyante, harnisham maya kriya kalapa, sarvam samaveshita. Samaveshita means samarpita. All that he was doing with his indriya, he had completely samaveshitam asittena, samarpita. So because all the bhaktas who are real bhaktas are there, they always samarpanam kurvanti. This is all there, right, in Bhagavad Gita also, everywhere. Samarpanam kuru, samarpana buddhi bhavet. So if you don't exactly know, that is also there in the Bhagavad Gita. If one doesn't know exactly how to attain siddhi, if you feel it difficult, finally what Krishna says, don't worry about all that jnana, this shastra vishaya, studying and all that. Okay, they will come eventually. They are needed. It's not like this, not completely no use. But if you are confused and don't know where to start, just samarpanam kuru. Start just whatever you do, Brahmarpanam, Krishnarpanam kuru. Start from there. So then, naiva abhyanandat yadyapi na eva abhyanandat na eva abhyanandat na eva abhyanandat abhinandanam na akarot. Abhinandanam is that whatever is coming towards him, he doesn't like it. It's abhinandan. Abhi means towards. Nandana means ananda. Nandati iti nandanam. Abhyanandat iti bhutakale asti. Na eva abhyanantat. Tasya anandah na abhavat. Kasmin vishaye, because pitra upamantrita pitra ahutah, he was called to rule when he was just ready to do the diksha. But he did not like it. Abhyanandata. Yadyapi, although tad apratyamnatavyam. Tat kimatra kasya vishaya uktamasti tat apratyamnatavyam. Apratyamnata means virodha na karaniya. He should not decline it. What he should not decline? Adesha. Upamantranam. Right?
Pituhadesha.
Pitradesha. Tasya virodha अथवा अस्वीकारः न करणीयः परन्तु तद अधिकरणे, that's why he did not, it should not be declined because it's coming from his pita, but even then he did not like it. Then why? Because tad adhikarane, he thought, so sachintayat kim achintayat tad adhikarane, tasya adhikarane, adhikarane means grahane, यदि अत्र सति सप्तमी इति चिन्तनीयम् अधिकरणे तस्य ग्रहणे कस्य ग्रहणे
न
हाँ
न प्रत्यमान
विरोधः न करणीयः कस्य ग्रहणे आत्मनः पराभवं भवति कस्य ग्रहणेन स्वीकरणात् कस्य स्वीकरणात् पराभवः भवति पराभवः मीन्स् पराजयः भवति कस्य स्वीकरणेन राज्यस्य स्वीकरणेन राजशासनं कुरु इति पिता उक्तवान् परन्तु इदानीं न इच्छति सः किमर्थं न इच्छति यदि अहं स्वीकरोमि राज्यं तदधिकरणे यदि ग्रहणं राज्यशासनस्य ग्रहणं करोमि तदा आत्मनः मम अन्यस्माद् असतः अपि पराभवम् अन्वीक्षमाणः सः आसीत् कः प्रियव्रतः इति सः तेन चिन्तितं किं चिन्तितं यदि अहं राज्यग्रहणं करोमि आत्मनः तस्य स्वस्य अन्यस्मादसतः अपि पराभवः भवति इति अन्वीक्षमाणः अभवत् सः अन्वीक्षमाणः प्रतीक्षमाणः he thought or he expected that if he takes up this Rajya Shasana karyam, what happens? Anyasmadasata api parabhava. There will be setback, parabhava, parajaya, setback. Anyasmad asataha. This is another thing to worry about. Asataha, asat is something bad. Sat nasti iti asat. What is asat in this case? Rajya Shasana. Because Rajya Shasana, if he takes what is Anya Asat, along with that there will be so many things. Because he has to know, he has to marry, he has to listen, he has to go for he has to protect people, he has to listen to them. Then patni putra bandhava sarve bhavanti, then there will be all problems. So he will be completely, he thought that then there will be setback from what he wanted to do, from his sadhana patha. From that he will be losing it. That's what he thought. Next one. Anyone wants to read that 7?
अहं वदामि महोदय.
पठतु.
7. अधः भगवान् आदिदेव एतस्य गुणविसर्गस्य परिब्रह्मणानुध्यानव्यवस्थित सकलजगत् अभिप्रायः आत्मयोनिः अखिल निगम निज घन परिवेष्टितः स्वभवनात् अवततार. अतः भगवान् आदिदेवः एतस्य गुणविसर्गस्य परिब्रह्मण अनुध्यान व्यवस्थितः सकल जगत् अभिप्रायः आत्मयोनिः अखिल निगम निज घन परिवेष्टितः स्वभवनात् अवतार इस् क्रियापद. अत तदनन्तरं भगवान् आदिदेवः, that is ब्रह्म आदिदेवः, स्वभवनात् अवतार. तस्य भवनात्, तस्य स्थलात्, that is from Shatilokam or his abode, from his abode he avatatar, descended kutra avatatar, priyavrta bhavanam avatatar. इति मुख्य विषय अस्मिन् श्लोकस्य मुख्य विषयः. अन्य विषयान् सर्वाणि आदिदेव पदस्य विशेषणम्. एतस्य गुणविसर्गस्य इत्युक्ते सृष्टि, त्रिगुणसृष्टि. एतस्य त्रिगुण तमस् राजस सत्व गुणसृष्टिः. भगवान् आदिदेवः ही इस् द त्रिगुणसृष्टिः गुणविसर्गस्य. परिब्रह्मण इत्युक्ते expansion. He created this world, this universe, and he is always interested in the vistar, paribrahmana, pravritti of the universe. So he is interested in that. Anudhyana ityukte Shada Chintayan. Sarvata he is Chintayan and the Loka Vicharam Chintayan. Vyavasthidah ityukte Drida Nyataha Vistara Chintana Nishtaha. He is fully resolved. He determined in the expansion of this universe. Shakala Jagat we know, the entire universe. आत्मयोनिः स्वयंभू आत्मयोनिः इत्युक्ते स्वयंभू सेल्फ् बार्न् तत् आदिदेव ब्रह्म स्वयंभुः अभिप्रायः अभिलाषः हिस् इन्टेन्शन् इस् अखिल निगम परिवेष्टितः सर्ववेदान् परिवृत्तः he is always with the Vedas, surrounded with the Vedas. Tasya swabhavanat avadadara, from his abode he descended. So the Anvaya will be Bhagavad Guna Visargasya Vistartam what you read here? 1 minute. Bhagavan, no, this should come first. Edasya guna visargasya paribrammanah anudhyanaha anudhyana one word anudhyana vyavastitah shakala jagat abhiprayah atma yonihi ahila nigama nijagana pariveshtitah Bhagavan Adidevah tasya swabhavanat avadhatara इति श्लोकस्य विषयम् इति अहं मन्ये जि
अस्तु अस्तु बहु सुन्दरं श्लोकः प्रायेण सुलभ एव वर्तते अतः इति अगेन् like this भगवान् आदिदेवः अत्र चतुर्मुखब्रह्मणः विषये उक्तमस्ति चतुर्मुखः. So now, who is Chaturmukha in relation to Swayambhava Manu or Priyavrata?
Brata. Brata, kalu?
No.
Pita.
No. Pita.
Swayambhava tasya Swayambhavah Swayambhoः पुत्रः स्वयंभू अत्र स्वयंभू चतुर्मुखः स्वयंभू means what? He is not actually swayambhu because he is also Kamala Sambhava, but there was nothing else other than the Kamala and Narayana. That's why he is swayambhu. From that, in the Kamala he is considered swayambhu. Adideva देवानाम् आदौ तस्य जन्म अभवत् अन्यदेवानां देवतागणः अस्ति all other ganas he was the first one to born from Narayana and Kamala Rupini Lakshmi. Bhagavan Adidevah Saha. Now Adideva, this Brahma, Chaturmukha Brahma, is the father of Swayambhava Manu, and Priyavrata is the son of Swayambhava Manu. So for Priyavrata he is the Pitamaha. Etasya Gunavisargasya, of this Gunavisarga, Etasya is the adjective for this Gunavisarga. As Mahodaya said, Guna Visarga, Visarga is Srishtiyatra, Gunanam Sarjanam. गुणाः के सन्ति अत्र सत्त्वरजस्तमस् सत्त्वरजस्तमस्. So when they are in the equilibrium state in the pralaya, but when the srishtim kartum सृष्टिकार्यम् आरभते तदा so they become they lose their equilibrium status, then the srishti karya starts. So this Brahma, if you look at the different Puranas, the Chaturmukha was initially created and then Narayana Adishta, Because of that he was created. That's why he's called Prajapati, Pitamaha. His main karya is to start the Srishti. And then he started, he tried. This Chaturmukha is trying by all means. Now they lost their equilibrium status, so it's a good, yogya kala asti, sarjanartham, srishti karyartham. But so he janma kisya jatam Rudra. Rudra was also, he was told, okay, you go and do the srishti, vistaram kuru. But instead of that, he created all the bhuta ganas, pishacha, preta ganas. So that are not they were not again not in the way that Prajapati Chaturmukha wanted. So he said, okay, stop here, all this bhuta srishti, preta srishti, and stop that. So we don't need that now, enough. So then Rudra again went back to tapas. So there also did not viskrishti karyasya vistarana bhut. Then he created that Sanaka Sanandana, Sanat Sujatiya, those 4 people, 4 Bala Brahmachari. We call it Brahmachari because they remained Brahmachari. He asked him to know, now you go, 4 people do this Srishti Vistara, Maushavruddhi. So they said, no, we are not interested, we are just interested in the Paramartha Shastra Chintanam Vishad Tapadhyana. So they also did not continue. So now what to do? He is trying by all means. So that's why he is interested. Paribhrana Anudhya. Now Swayambhu, then Parivrata is all bhajana asti. He is all yogya. But he is also not interested. That's why Adideva Swayam Avatatara. Adideva, Brahma is worried now. But nobody is doing the Srishti Vistara, what I am going to do. Okay. So, but he is interested. Paribhrana vistarartham anudhyana tadeva chintayamanaha saha vyavasita tasmineva nishtha sakala jagad abhiprayah sakala jagat vistarartham abhiprayah tasya abhiprayah means intention asti tasya kartum saha atmayonihi atra atma swayambhu ityarthapi artha bhavati swayambhu because of that, or Atma means also can be taken as Paramatma. Paramatma yoni. Paramatma eva tasya yoni tasya moolam iti. Akhila nigama nijagana pariveshtata. Pariveshtata means paritaha santi. Kim asti paritaha? Akhila nigama. Akhila nigama iti veda. Akhila veda nijagana. Nija itukte swasya gana. गण इत्युक्ते परिवारः परिवारेण परिवेष्टितः परिवृतः सः अत्र वेदा एव तस्य परितः सन्ति. Now परितः means what does it mean? All the books are around him.
Gnanam
निज गण अखिल निगम अखिल वेदाः अपि सन्ति. अनन्तरं तस्य निजगणः स्वस्य गणः अपि स्वस्य परिवारः अपि स्वस्य परिवारः तस्य परिवारः कीदृशपरिवारः अस्ति चतुर्मुखस्य देवाः एव. अन्याः देवताः लैक् इन्द्रादिदेवाः तैः सर्वैः परिवेष्टितः सः स्वभवनात् अवततार. स्वस्य भवनात् सत्यलोकात् अवततार. भूतलम् अवततार. तस्य भूतलं कुत्र यत्र प्रियव्रतः आसीत् नारदपि आसीत् तत्र. बिकास् पूर्वम् अस्ति नारद प्रियव्रत इस् वित् Narada. So they are in some place where they are doing that Brahma Satra, or he is doing this some study, Shastradhyanam karoti sma. Tatra saha avataram kritavan, agamanam kritavan, satyabhavanat, satyalokat. Iti sham adyatana विषयः समाप्तः. नमस्कारः.
नमस्ते महोदय.
धन्यवादः महोदय।
धन्यवादः। शुभदिनं। शुभ